Once upon a time, in a magical forest, lived Elsa and Jack, two adventurous friends. Elsa had the power to control ice and snow, while Jack was a clever and resourceful explorer. One sunny morning, they set off on a journey to explore deeper into the enchanted woods. They encountered talking animals, friendly fairies, and hidden treasures along the way. The forest was full of surprises, like colorful flowers that sang and trees that whispered secrets. One day, as they ventured farther than ever before, they stumbled upon a mysterious cave covered in ice. Curiosity sparked their hearts, and they decided to enter. Inside, they discovered a sparkling crystal that emitted a warm glow. Little did they know, this crystal held the key to maintaining the balance of the forest's magic. As they touched the crystal, a sudden chill swept through the cave. The forest's magic began to wane, and the once vibrant plants started to wither. Realizing the consequence of their actions, Elsa and Jack knew they had to find a way to restore the forest's magic. With Elsa's icy powers and Jack's clever ideas, they embarked on a quest to collect rare ingredients from different corners of the forest. They faced challenges, solved riddles, and helped creatures in need along the way. Their bond grew stronger as they worked together to mend the magic they had unintentionally disrupted. After days of hard work, they combined the ingredients and used Elsa's ice magic to create a potion that could heal the forest's magic. With a burst of sparkling energy, the potion revitalized the land, bringing back the beauty and wonder that once filled the forest. Elsa and Jack learned an important lesson about responsibility and the importance of respecting the balance of nature's magic. They became heroes in the eyes of the forest's inhabitants and were forever remembered for their bravery and determination. And so, their forest adventure became a cherished story passed down through generations, reminding all who heard it to care for the magic that surrounds them.